In this video, we'll be studying condition of tangency and equation of tangent to hyperbola. Now suppose the equation of hyperbola is x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equals 1, and then we have a line whose equation is y equals mx plus c. Now we need to find the value of c so that this line is a tangent to this hyperbola. We have already solved condition of tangency in case of parabola as well as in case of an ellipse. So all we need to do is we need to find points of intersection of this line and this hyperbola. So what we'll do is we'll put the value of y in this equation. Then we can write this equation as b square x square minus a square. Now in place of y, we'll write mx plus c whole square, and it will be equal to a square b square. Now we can write this equation as a quadratic equation in x. So it will be b square minus a square m square x square minus 2a square m into c into x, and then minus a square. Now it will be c square plus b square equals 0. Now being a quadratic equation, it will have three possibilities. Either this line and hyperbola, they will intersect at two distinct points, or they'll touch each other, or they may never intersect each other. In this case, we are interested in condition of tangency, which simply is this quadratic equation must have exactly one real root. So that means value of d, it must be equal to 0. So we can write 4 e to the power 4 m square c square minus 4 b square minus a square m square. Now this minus and minus, it will be plus. So it will be a square c square plus b square equals 0. Now here we'll take 4a square common. So we'll get a square m square c square plus b square c square plus b to the power 4 minus a square m square c square, and then minus a square m square b square, and it must be 0. Now this a square m square c square will cancel, and we'll also cancel b square. So we can write c square as a square m square minus b square. So condition of tangency is value of c square must be equal to a square m square minus b square. So this line y equals mx plus c, it will touch this hyperbola only if c square is equal to a square m square minus b square, where m is slope of this line. Now once we have this c, we can write equation of tangent also. So equation of tangent in terms of slope can be expressed as y equals mx, and then in place of c we can write plus or minus under root of a square m square minus b square. So this is our first equation of tangent in terms of slope. So for any given hyperbola, we can always write equation as y equals mx plus minus under root a square m square minus b square. If the hyperbola is of the second form, which is y square upon a square minus x square upon b square equals to 1, in that case this equation will change to y equals mx plus minus under root of a square minus b square m square. So that is the equation of tangent for second form. Another way to write equation of tangent to a hyperbola is in terms of a point given on this hyperbola. Suppose we are given a point whose coordinates are x1 and y1, and this point P, it lies on the curve. And suppose equation of hyperbola is x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equals to 1. Now we have previously studied in parabola as well as in ellipse that if a point lies on the curve, then the simplest way to find equation of tangent is t equals 0. We have already studied this notation and how to write equation of t equals 0 in parabola as well as in ellipse. So I'll put the link to that notation video in the description below. So if you have not studied it, please go through that video so that it'll make sense here. Now in this case, if we write t equals 0, it'll simply be x1 upon a square minus y1 upon b square equals to 1, and that is our second equation of tangent. So if we are given a point on hyperbola, we can simply write this equation as t equals 0. So that's our point form of tangent. And then we have our third equation, and which is in terms of parameter theta. Now we know that any point on hyperbola, we can express it as a secant theta and b tan theta. So if we take this point P in terms of theta, which is a secant theta and b tan theta. So in this case, the equation t equals 0 will be xa secant theta upon a square minus yb tan theta upon b square equals 1. Here a and a will cancel, b and b will also cancel. So we can write this equation as x secant theta upon a minus y tan theta upon b, and it is equal to 1, and that's our third equation of tangent. So if we are given slope, then we can write this equation as y equals mx plus minus under root of a square m square minus b square. So that's our first equation in terms of slope. If we are given a point x1 y1, we can write this equation as x1 upon a square minus y1 upon b square equals 1. And if we have to write parametric equation of tangent, then we have to simply take this point as a secant theta and b tan theta, in which case equation of tangent will be x secant theta upon a minus y tan theta upon b, and it is equal to 1. So these are the three equation of tangents in case of a hyperbola.